Are you tired of spending hours on Etsy, creating beautiful products, only to hear the sound of crickets? Do you feel like you're throwing products or spaghetti at a wall, hoping something sticks? You pour your heart and soul into your shop, but the sales just aren't happening. I get it. I was there. I was stuck in the Etsy guesswork grind, wasting time and energy on listings nobody was buying. What if I told you there's a secret weapon, a tool that top Etsy sellers are using right now to find winning products, crush their competition, and grow their businesses to 6, even 7 figures? A tool that takes the guesswork out of Etsy and gives you the exact data you need to succeed. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the secret to selling more on Etsy than you ever thought possible. The biggest problem for new and even experienced Etsy sellers is a lack of data. You can't see what's selling, what keywords people are actually searching for, or what your top competitors are doing. It's a shot in the dark. That's where Everbee comes in. Think of it as your personal Etsy super spy tool. It's a powerful Chrome extension and platform that gives you instant access to critical data you simply can't get on your own. Here's how it works. You install the Everbee extension, and now, as you're browsing Etsy, you can instantly see the estimated monthly revenue, sales, and views for every single product and shop. Imagine browsing a competitor's store and seeing which of their products are their best sellers. You can see their total sales, monthly views, and even analyze their tags to see what's working for them. This isn't just about copying. It's about seeing what the market wants and then creating a better, more unique version of it. But it gets better. Everbee's keyword research tool is a game changer for Etsy SEO. It shows you the monthly search volume and competition for thousands of keywords. Stop guessing what people are searching for. With Everbee, you can find high-demand, low-competition keywords that will get your listings to the top of the search results, driving more organic traffic and sales without ever paying for an ad. There are other tools out there, but here's what makes Everbee different and why it's the one I recommend. First, it's incredibly user-friendly. Designed by Etsy sellers for Etsy sellers, the interface is clean, intuitive, and gives you the most crucial data right at your fingertips. Second, the accuracy. While no third-party tool is 100% accurate because Etsy doesn't release that data, Everbee's algorithm is known for its high accuracy, around 80%, which is more than enough to make informed business decisions. Finally, it's a true all-in-one solution. From product research and keyword analysis to a shop analyzer and even an email marketing platform built specifically for Etsy, Everbee has everything you need to scale your business under one roof. It saves you time, money, and most importantly, it gives you the confidence to launch products you know will sell. Let me show you a quick example of how powerful this is. Let's say I want to start a digital planner business on Etsy. I'll search for digital planner. The first thing I'll do is activate my Everbee extension. Instantly, I can see the top performing products. I'll filter by estimated monthly sales and revenue to find the true winners. I'll click on a successful listing and boom! Everbee shows me all the tags they're using. I'll save these high-performing tags to my research folder. I can then use the keyword research tool to find related, low-competition tags to ensure my listing stands out. This is how you go from a complete beginner to a seasoned pro, using data to make every decision. Stop waiting and start growing. The difference between a hobby and a thriving business is a solid strategy, and a solid strategy starts with having the right tools. Everbee is that tool. They have a completely free plan so you can try it out risk-free. I've put a special link in the description below that will take you directly to the sign-up page. Are you a creator ready to turn your passion into profit? Stop getting bogged down by clunky e-commerce platforms and high fees. Introducing Everbee Store, the AI-powered platform built just for you. Whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, or even print-on-demand items, Everbee makes it simple. Set up your beautiful, high-converting store in under 10 minutes with our easy-to-use, no-code, drag-and-drop builder. Recover abandoned carts, offer automatic discounts, and even set up recurring subscriptions, all without needing extra tools. Plus, every Everbee store comes with a custom domain and a free SSL certificate to build trust with your customers. And you're never alone. With 24/7 support from real humans and a vibrant community of creators, we're here to help you succeed. Go get your free account and start your journey to Etsy success today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Etsy tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now go and turn your Etsy dreams into a reality. Ready to grow your business? Everbee Store is designed for higher conversions and lower fees than platforms like Shopify or Wix. Don't wait. Start your 30-day trial for just $1. Join the thousands of creators who are building their dream business with Everbee. Click the link in the description below that will take you directly to the sign-up page.